Hey, it's Ask the Motor Guy. I just went down to Harbor Freight and bought myself this brand new Bauer. This is a 70-gallon sprayed per charge, 1 gallon Bauer sprayer. And let's see what's inside the box. So we get the box open. Comes with a lot of little pieces. Extras. Looks like we got ourselves things like that. I've had one of these before. I liked it so much that I bought another one. So it looks like your battery goes right in here on the side. I have a lot of Bauer tools. What I like is you can interchange all of the batteries between the different units. Starts right up. This is a 1 gallon deal, and what I did was I saved the bottom for the one that I just flat worn out. And what I'm hoping to be able to do now is put a gallon worth of spray inside this one and this one, and then you can just transfer the bottoms between the two. They just pop right off just like that. That's pretty neat, actually. And you can adjust the length. Overall, everything goes together. I mean, a lot of times when you get stuff like this, it's hard to put together, lots of moving parts and pieces. But what I've found is that, the whole collection, the whole Bauer stuff, I've got probably one of everything. It's super easy and intuitive how it all goes together. It's very tight there, and then it does come with this strap. And the strap just clips on right here. So try to keep your strap straight. Just over here on the other side of the battery. And they got little pivots on them, so you really can't mess it up. And then when you're all put together, the handle just fits right inside the cover, just like that. You can collapse this back down. You just reach up here and loosen it all back up, and this slides right back in. So all in all, I really have enjoyed the units that I have bought, and I'm gonna plan on keeping this one. I got the warranty on it for a couple of years at least, but so far every time I've taken them out, they've been a lot of help, and they do a good job. So these are 1 gallon Bauers. You can pick them up down there at Harbor Freight, 20 volts. I think they're pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can give us a like, a share, and hey, maybe buy something on our website. Have a good one.